Let me ask you something. What if I told you that just $1,000 could quietly grow into $10,000 without you working extra hours, without starting a business, and without taking crazy risks? Sounds unrealistic? That's what most people think, but here's the truth. This is exactly how wealth is built in America. Not overnight, but step by step, with simple, consistent investing. Now, if you've managed to save your first $1,000, you're already ahead of a huge number of people, and that's not an exaggeration. Many people live paycheck to paycheck, with nothing saved at all. So first, take a second to realize you've already done something important, but saving money is only the first step. The real game begins when you learn how to make your money work for you. Because if your money just sits in your bank account, it slowly loses value due to inflation. Prices go up, but your money stays the same. So in reality, you're losing purchasing power every single year. And that's why investing is not optional anymore. It's necessary.